I'm gonna record this, so this is recording right now, like as I'm talking. Like, so there's a little thing down here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a cube. And so I gave everybody I just took a screenshot of everybody's, the attendance, and I put a name, just a number down here. And I'm gonna pretend I'm Rossi right now, and Rossi's got a cube that's 0.6. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a cube on Onshape. So what you have to do is you have to jump over to Onshape. I don't think I opened it up. Sign into Onshape, and we're going to make a new document. So we'll call it cube. Cube. And you probably remember, maybe you remember how to make a cube or not, but you click on one of the planes, and then you right click new sketch, and then you're going to make maybe I'll make a center point. And Rossi, do you remember your numbers again? It was 0.6, right? Yeah, 0.6. So I just make it 0.6 by 0.6. So I just type 0.6, 0.6. There's that little cube right there. And then we'll hit OK. And then we're going to grab that and we're going to extrude it to make our cube. And we're going to make the depth also 0.6. So now we have a perfect little cube right there. I can hit the letter P to turn the planes off to look at the cube. So there's Rossi's cube. And then to 3D print it, all you do over here on the part, you right click and then you hit export, which is right here, export. I'm going to call it cube. And then you want to make sure it's an STL. So we'll export it. And then it's going to download to my computer here. So there it downloads. And then from here, you guys are going to email that to me. So once you have that piece gets emailed to me. So you're going to shoot an email to Mr. Hare, and you're going to attach that. But once you email it to me, you go over to this how to 3D print. You go to this Dremel Digilab 3D slicer. So this takes the picture that you made, and it makes a file that the 3D printer can understand. So this is, you are CADing, like when you use Onshape, that's called CAD, Computer Aided Design. And then the DigiSlicer is called CAM, C-A-M. It stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. So, what's up? Yeah, I don't, whichever one, I think there's two of them down there, 40 and 45s, right? And what Evan's talking about, 3D 45, so we can change what type of printer that we have, but the one I had down here was a 45. So once you do that STL, what you'll do is you'll open, inside of this program, you'll open up that STL file. And I think mine went to downloads. I think I called it cube. And so there's that cube, but I think it looks really big. So we're gonna scale it. I think it's 2540 because there's 2.54 centimeters in an inch. And there it is. There's that cube that we'll 3D print. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it 100% infill. So right here, inside this program, you can change all sorts of things. So we can make it 100% plastic. Otherwise, when you print it, I wonder if I can like look at the different. I thought I could see a picture of all the insides. Yeah, but and then what you do is you hit the prepare button down here. If you hit prepare, now it slices it, and then you save this file to a thumb drive, and you plug it into 3D printer, and you hit go, and it will print. It'll print your cube just like that, and then we pick it off, and now the part that you literally made a few seconds ago on Onshape, like this thing that we imagined, now you can create it in real life. That's it. That's what we're aiming at, is taking something from drawing to physical object. Yeah, so the only things that we need once you get inside of Dremel is that you click on your object, and we do need to scale it. 2540 is the number. And then the other thing you need to change is the infill. So there's really only two numbers that you have to change.